begin exercise number 10.3 given on page number 186. Based on the explanation given to you on the previous video clip, we are going to solve this lesson. Please concentrate and try to understand. At times you may have to recall all those informations given to you in the previous class. Question number 1. Which of the highlighted angles? Highlighted angles means these angles. Highlighted angles means these angles. Which of the highlighted angles form a pair of adjacent angles? So in this picture, which of the highlighted angles form a pair of adjacent angles? What are the properties of the adjacent angle? You must have a common vertex. Do you have a common vertex here? Do you have a common vertex for both the angles? For this angle and for this angle. Do you have a common vertex? No. So, not a, you can say, not an adjacent angle. In bracket you can write no common vertex. Finished. Just draw this picture and write like this. Then this one, look at this. It has a common vertex. This is a common vertex. That means this point is for this angle also and this angle also. So common vertex, common arm. This is a common arm. This line is for this angle also, and again this line is for this angle also. So when you have a common vertex and a common arm, then it is an adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. It is a pair of adjacent angle. It has a common arm and a common vertex. So this is this one. Now this one. It has a common vertex. Look at this. The first angle. This point is there for the first angle also. Again this point is there for the second angle also. So it has a common vertex and this is a common arm. That means this line is for both, for this angle also, and again this line is for this angle also. So it is called a common arm and this is a common vertex. Again this is it is the same. It is a pair of adjacent angle and in bracket you can write it has a common arm and a common vertex. Now look at this. One angle, another angle. Okay. So for this point is for this angle and this point for this angle. That means it has a common vertex, but does it have a common arm? Common arm. This arm and this arm, and this arm and this arm are separate. It does not have a common arm. So it is not a pair of adjacent angle. It has no common arm. So this is how you need to do number 1A. Draw the picture and write whether it is a pair of adjacent angle or not and give reason also. Now we move on to question number 2. Welcome back dear children. We are in question number 2. Identify the linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles I have already told you should be a straight angle whose sum should be equal to 180 degree. Should be a straight angle and the sum should be 180 degree. Here you have a two angle. Angle ABC angle, first angle, and second angle is CBD. ABC is 60 degree and angle CBD is 65 degree. So how much is the sum? If you add this, you will get 125 degree. Therefore, it is, since it is not equal to 180 degree, it is not a linear angle. Come to this. angle PQS, angle PQS plus angle SQR, angle SQR. This is 90 and this also is 90. This is a symbol of 90. So 90 plus 90 you will get 180 degree. Therefore, it is a linear angle. If you get it equal to 180 degree, then it is a linear angle. See here, two angles MOP, angle MOP plus angle PON. MOP is 50 degree and PON is 130 degree. If you add this, you get it equal to 180 degree, which is a linear angle. It is a linear angle. And this is not a linear angle. It is not a linear angle because the first is it is not a straight angle. It is not a straight angle also. See, it is not a straight angle because it is not a straight angle. So this is number 2 which I have solved. Now we move on to number 3. I suppose this is clear to you. We move on to number 3. Now welcome back, dear children. We are in question number 3. Which of the following pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles? In vertically opposite angle, two lines must intersect each other. Do we have two lines here? Yes, they are intersecting each other. So, a vertically opposite angle. You can say two lines are intersecting each other. Here, one pair I can see, one pair here, but another pair I don't see. So, not a vertically opposite angle. There are no two lines intersecting each other. There are no two lines intersecting each other. So only one line, there is no other two lines intersecting just in the form of number A. Now here one line is there, another line is coming, but it is not completed. So it is not a vertically opposite angle. It is just like this, not a vertically opposite angle, and you copy the remaining from here. Alright, now number 2, one line here, another line intersecting. So it is, these two are vertically opposite angle. So it is a vertically opposite angle for this reason. Okay, you copy this one from here and complete this one from here. So only A and D are vertically opposite angle because there are two lines intersecting each other. Here also one line, another line intersecting each other. Here one line, but there is no other line intersecting. This line only touches, but it does not intersect and comes beyond the line. Here also one line, but another line comes and just touches and changes the direction. It does not intersect. So these two are not vertically opposite angle. These two are vertically opposite angle. I have left incomplete for you, but this one you need to copy from here and this one from here. Alright, so with this we have come to end exercise number 10.3, and this lesson was based on a pair of angles. So with this we wind up this class. We shall meet again the next week. Thank you.